Hey, welcome to the show. The other day I installed Windows 10 over Windows 7, and after I did that I went to my Sony Vegas to do some work on there, and I wanted to export an image sequence, and that is when you go into render and render as, and this did not show up, this right here. That allows you to export images like JPEGs. And so I did a lot of research, and what I found out is that you need to go to Microsoft.com and search for this extension, image extension. It is the HEIF. It is free, and all you have to do is download that. And once you download that and you restart your Vegas program, this should show up. And so this was a little bit of a challenge. I had to do some research on it. It took me a couple hours, but found the answer, and I hope this might help you out if you are missing your image sequence in your software editing program. So make sure you check out my other videos on here. I have a lot of cool videos. Please subscribe. I'm kind of getting lonely out here, and have a great day. Adios. Bye-bye.